My name is Renise, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get any premium and paid apps for free, and quite important, how to get rid of watermarks. So first, you're going to open your browser app. Type in happymod.com, then you click on the first link, or the link in my description box. Scroll down and press download. Press OK. Select details. Select install. Select open. Allow Happymod to access files on your device. Now I'm going to be downloading Viva Video Pro because it's a paid app, but with Happymod you'll be paying for free. No watermarks and access to all features. Select install. Then you open, and there you have it. Viva Video paid version, free. And guys, this works for any premium or paid app. No watermarks, no logo, and access to all features. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you will, and I'll be posting more helpful tips and tricks pretty soon.